Hello, welcome to this very quick review of my Croakies eyewear retainers. I'm going to explain why I love them so much in this review. Let's go. Okay, so these are my Croakies eyewear retainers. They're not the most stylish bit of kit, but I freaking love them. I'm really glad that I bought them, and I'll never go back to not using them. I always seem to lose or break my sunglasses on the trail, and I always went for the cheapest ones just for that reason. But since I got a bit more of an expensive pair, actually bequeathed to me by my old flatmate, thank you very much, James, I got a pair of Sun God Renegade sunglasses, and I was in REI in San Diego just before starting the PCT, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to give these a whirl. I really don't want to break or lose my sunglasses, so that's why I got them. Also wanted to make sure that I could always find them and that they were always there to hand. The Croakies eyewear retainers cost me $10 in REI. They weigh just 2 grams on the scales, which is incredibly light, and they are made of cotton, silicone and PVC. The Croakies eyewear retainers feature durable silicone loops which make sure they fit most styles of glasses. The strap is made of a really comfortable cotton and it's breathable too, and the PVC side rings on the silicone loops enable you to adjust the grip to fit on your frames. Okay, so this is basically how you fit them on. You've got the little adjuster that's around the silicone loop, and you basically put that so that it's all the way down closer to the cotton straps like that. And then you literally just get your sunglasses, and then with the strap kind of pointing down, you just slip them over. I think you can either have them like towards the end of the frame, a bit like that, or you can have them a little bit closer towards the lenses. It just depends on like the size of your face and your head, and how comfortable and how close you want these kind of dangling down from your neck when you're not wearing the sunglasses. But yeah, there goes the other one. Just gonna slip that over. I prefer to have these a little bit closer to the actual lenses, just like that, so that they're not dangling down too far. And then you just kind of tighten them up, pop this around your neck, Bob's your uncle. You've got your sunglasses always there around your neck. It's really cool because when you're wearing them, you actually don't really feel that you've got the strap around your neck. It's so light and so comfortable. The only time you really feel the strap is when it's hanging from your neck a little bit like that. And because the reason why I put these a little bit further to the lenses is so that they're not too long, so they're not kind of swinging around and getting in the way and getting caught on your sternum strap, so that they're just a little bit closer to your chin when you're not actually wearing the sunglasses. Since I bought these just before the PCT, as well as the PCT and a load of other hikes, I haven't actually lost these sunglasses or my other pair that I've been using them on ever since, so they're definitely doing their job. As I said just a second ago, they're actually really comfy when hanging around your neck. They don't collect too much sweat. It kind of looks like they've got like a bit of a waxy coating on them, so they don't soak up any moisture. I've also not really washed these at all since I've had them. They've kept themselves really clean, and they're also really easy to take on and off just like that, and they won't damage your shades in the process. I think $10 for a little tiny strap just like this is a little bit steep. You could, of course, just use a little bit of string, tie them around your glasses, but I doubt they'd be as comfortable. They wouldn't fit onto the frames as well. They might fall off, it might break, you might need to replace them a lot more. These are especially made just for this purpose. And you know, like, I think if you're willing to get something that's gonna last and you don't wanna have to use a cheapo material like string, you are getting a quality product for that price. But you know, like I said, you could just make your own. With this particular model as well, you don't actually get like an adjuster strap. Like a lot of these ones, they have a strap that kind of looks a bit like this, where you have the adjuster there and you'll have a little bit of excess on the end, so you can move the strap or the loop that's around there and just adjust the length of it. So while you're wearing them, you could actually just kind of tighten the glasses around the back of your head, or if you don't want them to be a certain length and you want to adjust that without having to adjust where the loops are on the frames, then you could also do that as well. So if I was to get another pair, I'll probably go for one with an adjuster strap on the back. Okay, that is my review of my Croakies eyewear retainers. Are you using eyewear retainers on your through hikes? If so, let us know which ones in the comments section. The trail hunter community would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I'll see you in the next one.